bicycle and have four models: M1, M2, M3, M2. Now, aggregate planning is doing bicycle, water 1, 800, water 2, 1000, water 3, 1200, water 4, 1500. See, like that. And details are incoming, that is model wise production details according to the master production schedule is coming to this. In the month of, I am considering on the quarter 2, that is July, August, September, quarter 2, total is 1000. I'm coming in detail, 1000 is coming. And my question is, how a decision maker arrive this figure? So decision maker can arrive this figure with the help of the model, that is the demand forecasting model. They can able to arrive this figure. But the problem will come in this. What is the problem? That is, problem is there. Let us assume the organizational structure. That is, what is his supply chain, organizational supply chain. Now, I am not considering the upstream of the supply chain. Let us consider the downstream of the supply chain. This is the downstream of the supply chain. Company to distributor, distributor to dealer, dealer to customers. Now see it here. Here, there is a two-way interaction. Company is sending the material to the distributor, and distributor is sending the material to dealer. Dealer is directly selling to the customer. Similarly, dealer is sending the information to the distributor, and distributor sending the information to the company. Or you can see the dealer is sending the order to the distributor. Distributor places the order to the company, like that. Now, I am talking about the forecasting model. Now, dealer also will do the forecasting model. Let us assume that dealer is doing the forecasting model and getting a number, say 100 piece is getting a number. But dealer will do 100 is your forecasting, say more or less correct forecasting is done by the dealer, 100, along with the 100, he is adding some buffer, say 20. And 120, that information is passing it to the distributor. So distributor also do the forecasting model, and they are getting, say, different information is gone different time from the dealer, say 120 latest as given. So distributor also do the forecasting. Let he is getting, so his forecast is coming, say 130 is forecasting is coming, and he is adding another 50 as a buffer. So 130 plus 50, 170, that information is passing into the company. Company is also doing the forecasting with the historical data, and his figure is coming, say 100, 200 is coming. Along with that, he is adding another 50 is the buffer. So it is coming, figure is coming 250. Now see here, exact requirement of the market as per the forecasting of the dealer, it is 100. But the company is producing 200 and something. Producing. So this effect is called the ripple effect. Now in the industry, we always try to avoid this ripple effect. But the solution for that, in that case, we are thinking about the distributor, dealer, they are the partner of the company. And they are forecasting, the collaborative forecasting nowadays. Through the collaborative forecasting, they are going to the more or less correct figure, and accordingly production plan will be done. That is aggregate planning and the master production sheet. Last, I am coming to the another example that is also very interesting example I am taking to the case study. Let us see, this is the case study. With the help of that, we like to discuss a decision problem. Now here, Anderson Home Electronics, they produce 4 products: MP3 player, iPad, LCD TV, and Blu-ray DVD. These are the 4 products they will manufacture. And to produce all these, they need electronic components, they need non-electronic components, and they need the assembly time. So 3 things are required electronic component, non-electronic component, and assembly time. Now, what are the resources in his hand, in the company's hand? That is electronic component, 4700 pieces of electronic components is available. 4500 non-electronic components available, and 2500 assembly hour is available. Also, another data is there. What is the production requirement of the MP3 player? That is 3 pieces of electronic component, 2 pieces of non-electronic component, and 1 hour of assembly time. Similarly, in case of DVD player, 3 pieces of electronic component, 3 pieces of non-electronic component, and 2 pieces of assembly, 2 hours of assembly hours is available, required. And cost of each component is given. Say electronic components is 7, non-electronic components is 5, and the assembly hour cost is 10. And selling price also given 70, 80, 150, and 100. These are the selling price. Now, in this situation, production manager is the engineer. What he will do after starting this problem case, he's thinking it is a problem related to the optimization. Very good. If it is a problem related to the optimization, he can prepare a mathematical model for that. So, engineer will prepare a mathematical model. Just simple, I am giving the mathematical model, optimization model, that is let x1 number of MP3 player to be produced, x2 number of iPad to be produced, x3 number of LCD TV to be produced.
Please,
Yes?
please switch off your video.
Now it is okay? Hello?
Hello, sir.
What is the problem?
Mukul Mondal, please switch off. Switch off your presentation.
Okay. Yes.
Mukul Mondal, please switch off your presentation. Mukul Mondal.
Okay. Now is it coming?
No. Mukul Mondal, switch off your presentation, please.
Okay.
Now, please put on your presentation, Dr. Chakraborty.
I will put on the presentation again.
You
Yes.
Please switch on the presentation again.
Okay. Is it visible? Is it not visible?
No, sir, it is not visible.
It is not visible yet.
I don't know what the problem is there.
স্যার ডান দিকে আছে দেখুন প্রেজেন্ট নাও
right side corner there is a present now. Then
I'm click on the present now. Okay.
It is coming. Okay.
It's coming. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, see what operation manager is the
Sir, it is
engineer.
visible now.
He prepared a mathematical model on this. Now it is the optimization model. So naturally, this optimization model he can able to solve through any software, and he solved it Excel. And after getting this, he is getting this solution with the help of the Excel. Now, in this case, what he is getting the solution, that is your software is telling 380 pieces of iPad to be produced and 1060 pieces of DVD player to be produced, and total profit will be 69400. And he conveyed to the management, and management agreed to produce that thing. Management is happy, that is total profit is coming 69400, and iPad will be produced with the help of these resources, that is 4700 electronic components, 2500 assembly line, and 4500 the non-electronic component. Now in the solution we are seeing one thing, that is if I produce 380 pieces of iPad and 1060 pieces of DVD player, In that case, your electronic components totally exhausted, 4700, 4700, and assembly time 2500, 2500, totally exhausted. Only non-electronic component, that is out of 4500, only 39400 used. Now problem is there. Management is happy on the basis of this. Now problem is coming when top management requesting this production manager produce a new product. That new product is, I am saying, this is a new product. Now let us, before the new product, let us say what are the sensitivity report. This is a sensitivity report. Just I am telling the sensitivity report is this simple thing I am telling. Where if you come to the constraint column, here you will see the electronic component, non-electronic component, and the assembly line. In that case, we are getting the final value, that is 4700 and 3940 and 2500. These three I am getting. And but what are the actual value? That is on the constraint of the right side member, 4700, 4500, 250. These are the actual right side member. What is the final value? Now one column is there, that is called the shadow price. Just I am telling what is the conception of the shadow price. Shadow price conception is the multiplier. It means now our electronic component, the resources, non-electronic component resources, and assembly line resources. Now if I increase the resource, what will happen? I will get the more product, so profit will increase. If I decrease the resources, so less product, so profit will also come down. So how much it is, that should be done by the shadow price. For example, say assembly line hours, shadow price is 24. Now if I increase the time, that is one shift time, that is 8 hours shifting. If I change it, then in that case your shadow price is 24. So 8 into 24, this much profit also will increase. But under certain condition, how much we can able to increase, how much we can able to decrease, that figure also given, the allowable increase and allowable decrease. Within this figure we'll get it. But as I am coming to the decision alternative, that is top management is requesting the production manager produce the new product. That product requires electronic components, 5 numbers, non-electronic component, 4 numbers, as assembly time, 4 hours. Unit cost, same thing was given, that is 7, 5, and 10, and the shadow price I showed, that is a 2, 0, and 20. Now, what management did it, after designing this product, management has shared this product to the marketing department, whether they can able to sell the product in the market or not. Marketing department, what they did, they try to position the product in the market, and they went by the, that is called target pricing conception, and they are given the price that is 175. If this product sell in the market of 175 per product, then they can able to sell as many as possible in the market. So marketing department is telling they are interested to sell the product by only 175. Management now passing the information to the production unit. What is the decision of the production unit? Now production unit, what they will do? Production manager, he will do it in the existing, that is this is his existing production plan. That is iPad, he will produce 380, DVD player, he will produce 1060, and profit will be 6940. That is the existing production plan. Now in this existing production plan, electronic components 4700, 4700, and the assembly time 2500, 2500. Only non-electronic component inventory in his hand, that is 560 pieces of non-electronic component in his hand. Now in that case,